Today we are going to prepare non-slimy oat milk that is high in protein and fiber. It also contains a number of other nutrients. It is also free from lactose, soy and nuts. If you have lactose intolerance or allergic to soy and nuts, then oat milk is one of the best options to intake. Before going forward, I request you to please subscribe my channel. Take 1 cup of steel cut oats in a big bowl. Add 1 glass of water. Mix oats with water properly. Then cover it and let rest it for 10 to 15 minutes. There is no difference in the consistency and the taste of oat milk if you use rolled oats or steel cut oats, so you can choose as per your choice. After 15 minutes, let's check oats. So as you can see, oat has absorbed all the water. Now add half glass of water and drain out this water. So here as you can see, I have drained out all the excess water from oats. Now add water soaked oats in a mixer grinder jar. Add 3 cups of chilled water in the same jar. You can add water as per your choice, as much you can, how much you thick and thin milk you want. Now grind it 50 to 60 seconds. Now strain out it. I am using a very fine strainer. If you want, you can use muslin cloth to strain this oat milk. So here little oat residue, you can mix it with any flour and knead the dough. We have prepared around 1 liter oat milk. I am going to transfer it in a glass bottle. If you don't have glass bottle, you can use any container to store it. So here you can see how perfect white and non-slimy oat milk is ready. And the consistency of this milk is medium thick. You can keep the consistency of this milk as per your choice. Now cover it. You can keep fresh this oat milk to store in refrigerator till 3 to 4 days. You can use this oat milk with your favorite cereals. You can use this oat milk to make a tea, coffee, smoothie and many more dishes. I hope you are going to like this video, so please comment and share this video. See you in next video. Thank you. Bye bye.